Hello everyone, my name is Tin, and today I want to talk about computers, but more specifically, virtual computers. This technology is usually referred to as the cloud or cloud based services. The name might sound a little vague, but in reality, college students use it all the time. For example, this page right here. This is where Brookhaven students submit their homework. Here, you're not handing over any sort of physical data drive to the school, and yet your teachers can look at your submission and grade it without even having to download or print it out on their side. This is basically what the cloud is. It's a virtual computer that receives data, compute it, and then distribute it to somewhere else without relying on the strength of your local hardware. But that's just the example that I came up with myself. There's a more technical explanation of the cloud written in an article by the Review of Business. Cloud computing is the use of computing resources that are delivered as a service over the internet. Well, after looking more into all the researches and statistics, especially the ones in relation to business practices, I came to the conclusion that businesses need to get rid of their local machines and switch to cloud computing starting today. First of all, using the cloud saves money since the virtual cloud based computer is going to handle the task in its own virtual environment. The need for building traditional technology departments no longer exists. With that, not only can business owners save physical space in their office buildings, they can also save the money that would have been spent on adding more and more hardware to that technology department room. However, the cloud cannot be accessed from where the internet doesn't reach. This technology depends solely on internet connection, while local computers can still handle offline data when there's an outage. An article by the Daily Herald reported such an incident in 2017. It happened to Amazon. It's something that all cloud users must pay attention to. Second of all, the cloud provides access to all platforms, including handheld mobile devices. It doesn't matter if it's a Windows laptop, an Apple phone, or any kind of tablet, the cloud can reach them all. Cloud users must be careful because data are accumulated all in the cloud, all in one place. If the service provider isn't tight on security, one activity of hacking is all it takes to put all data at risk. And unfortunately, additional security support, including liability, is often hidden behind paywalls by service providers. Cloud computing is a great technology, but it's scary at the same time. Then, what can business owners do to alleviate the risks that come with it? Well, the simplest solution is just pay more for extra security with the money that the owners have saved from switching to the cloud because they don't have to upgrade their hardware every month or every year. They don't have to hire technicians to maintain them. As a matter of fact, investing in security for the long term is how owners protect their businesses. There's also a more complicated way to solve the security issues, that is, to use a hybrid approach of using both local hardware and cloud based services at the same time. Just back up all important data to local storages and disconnect those from the internet to prevent them from getting hacked, and then take advantage of the cloud's high speed to handle other tasks. And there you go. It saves money, its accessibility is very high. Owners need to make this technology a part of their businesses as soon as possible.